Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a PayPal account in Ethiopia. While PayPal does not directly support Ethiopia for all services, there are widely recognized workarounds. You can set up a PayPal account by utilizing a verified address from a fully supported country. This specific method allows you to effectively send payments and successfully make purchases online, opening up global opportunities. To begin, you will need a legitimate address from a PayPal-supported country, such as the United States or the United Kingdom. Additionally, a local phone number from that same country is essential for completing the verification process. Ensure you have a reliable email address ready, as this will be your primary contact for your new PayPal account. These specific elements are crucial for setting up a functional and verifiable account. First, go to the PayPal website specific to your chosen supported country, for example, paypal.com/US. Click on Sign Up and select Personal Account to proceed with your registration. Carefully input the address and phone number from your supported country during this crucial stage. You will also need to create a robust password and successfully pass any initial security verifications. Once your account is successfully set up, the next critical step involves linking a payment method. Consider using a virtual bank account from a supported country, often available through reliable services like Payoneer or Wise. Alternatively, you can securely link a credit or debit card that is specifically issued in a supported country. Remember, direct linking of an Ethiopian bank account or card for full sending and receiving is generally not supported through this method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.